What's going on, guys? Just gonna do a real quick video and show you how I just set up my GoPro mic setup on for my helmet so I can start doing moto vlogs. So this is my helmet here. It's a Scorpion EXL. Now this mic is the wire is extremely long, and I use this adapter, and I forget the name of the company that makes it, but it's your standard GoPro, sticky mount right there. And so I went with the hard case. My fiance had gotten this for me for Christmas. So it's the hard case with the hole cut out already for it, so you can run the wire into there. Obviously, what you can see here, what I had done is I wrapped this extremely long wire all along the arm here. And then what that does is that wire goes onto my mic, which I had taken some Velcro and then actually took some Gorilla Glue and glued, helped kind of hold that on there onto the actual mic itself. Now, it's a little bit of a tight fit. It's a little tight, but as you can see there, that Velcro's right onto there, and it sits right by my mouth. So I'm talking, you guys should be able to hear me pretty clearly, and it looks pretty clean. So you won't even be able to tell really that there's a line. It's not messy. And then when I want to remove everything, I can easily remove the mic, remove this GoPro, slide that out, pop this off, and then the wire stays because I have it tucked in right there, and then right there the wire's tucked in underneath, so this will stay loomed on here. I can remove the GoPro, use it for other applications, and then this mic will just stay on this mount because this mount is specifically used for when I ride my motorcycle and want to take videos. So if it wasn't so rainy and crappy out today, I'd do a test of this mic setup, but unfortunately it's raining and it's really crappy. So when it's not so bad out, I'll hook this up and we'll go see how this works. Anyway, thanks guys. Just want to say thanks again for all the subscribers that we've been getting. We're at 223. Keep helping me out, and hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, commenting, everything. Like, you guys are killing it. We went from, I want to say, about 80 2 weeks ago, or a week ago or something like that, a little over a week ago, and we're already at 223. So just keep it up, guys. Really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a happy new year and stay safe out there. Thanks, guys.